Hello and welcome. Are you a prepper? Are you interested in making sure that you have all the resources and supplies you need when times are hard? My name is Bill Powell with Back 40, and I'd like to invite you to check out the Essential Seed Kit. Our Seed Kit 16 comes with 16 essential vegetable seeds that you will need should you need to plant an emergency victory garden to get through times of crisis. There's no fluff, there's no stuffing of this. These are the kind of vegetables. Here, let me just read you half of the rank. Sweet corn, peas, lettuce, onion, beets, tomatoes, winter squash, spinach, Swiss chard, radish, carrot, pepper, squash, zucchini, cucumber, bush bean, and cabbage. There's no fluff. This is stuff you would need to feed your family. I invite you to check it out. You can find it on the Back40HQ.com website, or you can find it on Amazon.com. If you search for Seed Kit 16, I'd sure like to invite you to check it out. Again, my name is Bill Powell with Back 40.